Welcome to How to Evaluate AI Model Outputs with Claude. Today, we'll learn how to critically assess AI model outputs using Claude, equipping you with essential skills for ensuring model accuracy and reliability. Imagine a world where AI decisions are flawless, unbiased, and reliable. Sounds utopian, right? Well, with the right evaluation tools, like Claude, we're inching closer to that reality. In this video, we're diving into the art of evaluating AI model outputs using Claude. Whether you're a data scientist, a developer, or an AI enthusiast, understanding this process is key to ensuring your models are not just functioning, but excelling. Let's unlock the potential of AI with Claude.
Claude is not just another tool, it's your AI evaluation ally. Designed to streamline the evaluation process, Claude offers a suite of features tailored for assessing AI model outputs. From intuitive dashboards to detailed analytics, Claude simplifies complex evaluation tasks, making it accessible to even those new to AI. It's built to handle various AI models, providing insights that are crucial for refining performance. But why Claude? Because it delivers reliability and precision, and most importantly, it adapts to your unique evaluation needs. Let's explore how Claude can transform your AI workflows. Getting started with Claude is straightforward, but a strategic setup is essential for maximizing its potential. Begin by installing Claude on your system, ensuring compatibility with your existing tools. Once installed, configure Claude to align with your specific evaluation goals. This might involve setting parameters for the models you intend to evaluate. Troubleshooting is part of the process, so don't hesitate to consult support if issues arise. The goal is to create an environment where Claude can operate seamlessly, providing you with accurate and insightful evaluations.
Metrics are the backbone of AI evaluation. With Claude, you have access to a range of scoring criteria that provide a comprehensive view of model performance. These metrics cover accuracy, precision, recall, and more, offering a holistic evaluation. Claude's strength lies in its ability to interpret these scores, translating raw data into meaningful insights. Understanding these metrics is crucial, as it informs your decisions on model adjustments and improvements. Moreover, Claude allows for customization, enabling you to tailor metrics to suit specific evaluation needs, ensuring that you're measuring what truly matters.
Claude's feedback is your pathway to enhanced model performance. It provides a detailed analysis of model outputs, highlighting areas of excellence and those requiring improvement. By interpreting this feedback, you can pinpoint specific strengths and weaknesses within your models. This isn't just about identifying issues, it's about creating a feedback loop that drives continuous learning and refinement. Claude's insights are invaluable, offering actionable recommendations that guide your model adjustments, ensuring that over time, your AI becomes more accurate, reliable, and effective.
Errors and biases are inevitable in AI models, but with Claude, identifying and addressing them becomes manageable. Common errors might include incorrect predictions or misclassifications, while biases can stem from skewed training data. Recognizing these issues is critical, as they can significantly impact model reliability and fairness. Claude excels in detecting such anomalies, providing insights into their origins and offering strategies for mitigation. By leveraging Claude's capabilities, you can ensure that your models are not only accurate but also equitable, fostering trust and integrity in AI solutions.
Integrating Claude into your AI workflows is a game changer. It ensures that evaluations are not an afterthought but a continuous, integral part of the AI lifecycle. Begin by aligning Claude's evaluations with your existing processes, allowing for seamless integration. Automation can play a pivotal role here, ensuring regular evaluations without manual intervention. This integration not only enhances your workflows but also boosts the overall quality and performance of your AI models. Learn from case studies where Claude has successfully transformed evaluation processes, setting a new standard for AI excellence. Improvement is a continuous journey, and with Claude, you have a roadmap for success. The best practices revolve around leveraging Claude's insights for iterative model refinement. Regular evaluations provide the data needed to make informed adjustments, ensuring that your models evolve with precision. Collaboration across teams can amplify these efforts, bringing diverse perspectives to the table. It's also vital to document these improvements, creating a knowledge base that informs future projects. With Claude, you're not just improving models, you're setting them on a path to sustained excellence. Nothing speaks louder than success stories. In this segment, we delve into real-world case studies where Claude has been instrumental in transforming AI evaluations. These stories highlight the tangible benefits of using Claude, from enhanced accuracy to improved business outcomes. Learn from the lessons these projects offer, understanding how Claude's role was pivotal in their success. These case studies not only inspire but also provide a blueprint for leveraging Claude in future AI projects, demonstrating its potential to revolutionize model evaluations. As we wrap up, remember that evaluation is the cornerstone of successful AI implementation. With Claude, you're equipped with the tools to ensure your models are not only functional but exceptional. Continuous learning and adaptation are key, and through regular evaluations, you pave the way for innovation and improvement. We invite you to share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments. Your interaction not only enriches our community but also guides future content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in AI evaluations.